Hello everyone, welcome to the D Club. It's Vaibhav here, and I'm super excited to begin our new playlist on this channel. This playlist is dedicated to exploring ins and outs of Spark, diving deep into the architecture, understanding core concepts, and tackling frequently encountered programming challenges, plus so much more. In this video, we are starting by setting up Spark using a tool called JupyterLab. But first, you need to have Python on your computer. If you have it, you can skip this part and directly jump towards the installation of JupyterLab. If you don't have it, follow me with the installation process. We can now go to the Python official website, and from here we can download the executable. So here we can see that the latest version available for Windows is 3.12.3, but when I tried with this, I was facing some challenges with executing Spark application. To minimize this, let's download the last stable release, which is 3.11.9, and from here we can download the Windows installer. I will click on add python.exe to the path so that the setup and adding dependencies to the path will get automatically completed. Let's wait for some time. We can now check the Python version available with us. Yep. Now, in this series, we are going to majorly work on Pyspark. So I will install it using pip. So it will download all the dependencies and configure Pyspark for us. Let's wait for some time till this installation is complete. We can now see Pyspark 3.5.1 is successfully installed in our system. Let's try to run it. Before this, you need to ensure that you have Java 8 or newer version available. So, how we can download that? If you are using Windows, we can go to the OpenJDK by Microsoft, and from here we can download the build. So once we downloaded the build, you need to add a Java home into the environment variables. So once that is done, you need to restart your system and come back to this particular window. So I already had it, and we can proceed further with the PySpark validation. So now I'm trying to execute the PySpark. What it's saying, it is looking for some executable with name Python 3, and also it is saying that I can set this variable. So I will set it to Python, and now let's check again. Let me maximize the screen. Okay, okay. Now we can see the Spark is available with us, and we can now go ahead with the configuration of JupyterLab. Now let's install JupyterLab. Okay, it is downloading the dependencies. We can now see the dependencies are downloaded and JupyterLab is successfully installed. Let's check if it is available or not. So with running command JupyterLab, it will redirect us to the browser page from where we can access the JupyterLab. Okay, now we can see JupyterLab is up and running. We'll check with executing sample commands. With executing Spark, we can now see that okay, it is not defined because it's just a variable name. No value is declared. Now we can go back and ask Jupyter to run with Spark. We kill the process. Now we'll set Pyspark driver as Jupyter, and now we can start Pyspark. Now you can see it will redirect us to the Jupyter where Pyspark is already installed. Okay, here we go. Now we have this. I can see it will create a Spark session automatically, and then we can operate on the top of it. You can clearly see that the second number cell is commented out, but this is a simple command which we can use to build the Spark session. Now we can see the Spark session is available, and we can go to UI, and this is the Spark UI. We can now execute the commands to create a data frame. Yeah, this is how we can configure Spark on the top of JupyterLab. Going forward, in all the sections, we will use this kind of setup. Do like, share, and subscribe. If you like it, you can refer it to your friends. Thank you.